Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start the lecture number 1 of chapter number 7 electrochemistry, and today's topic is electrochemical cells. So let's start. Here we will discuss some important terms related to electrochemical cells. So the first one is redox reactions. Redox is a word which is combination of two words, that is reduction and oxidation. Reduction means gain of electrons and oxidation means loss of electrons. So, the reactions in which oxidation occurs with reduction are known as redox reactions. The second concept is electrode. Electrode is the conductor through which electricity enters or leaves an object, substance, or region. Means with the help of this rod, electricity can transfer into the circuit, into the cell, into a substance or region, or it can leaves the that object or substance. And we use the electrodes of different elements like aluminum, brass, carbon, copper, iron, etc. On the basis of difference in electrode potentials, electrodes are divided into two types. The first one is anode. It is electrode at which the oxidation half reaction occurs. Means the loss of electrons will take place at this electrode in a cell. And the other is cathode. It is an electrode at which the reduction half reaction occurs. Means gain of electrons will take place at this electrode. The next concept is electrolyte. Electrolyte is a substance that produces an electrically conducting solution when dissolved in water. It means that when we will dissolve a substance into the water, then it will convert into ions, and through this solution electricity can pass. Examples of electrolyte are NaCl, KCl, HCl, NaOH, etc. And some compounds which are non-conductor of electricity in the solution form, they are known as non-electrolytes. For example, urea, glucose, sucrose, benzene, etc. All these are non-electrolytes. Electrochemical cells. An electrochemical cell is a device capable of either generating electrical energy from chemical reactions or facilitating chemical reactions through introduction of electrical energy. It means that chemical cell is a device which can convert electrical energy into chemical energy or chemical energy into electrical energy. Means electrochemistry is interconversion of chemical and electrical energies which can take place in electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells. Electrochemical cells are classified into two types. The first one is electrolytic cells. These are the cells in which electrical energy from an external source causes non-spontaneous chemical reactions to occur. Non-spontaneous reactions are those reactions which cannot take place take place themselves, and we have to provide some external energy to start these types of reactions. So, in a case of electrolytic cells, we will provide electrical energy from some external source which will start a non spontaneous chemical reaction. The second type of electrochemical cells is voltaic cell. These are the cells in which spontaneous chemical reactions produce electricity and supply it to an external circuit. Means in these type of cells we don't need any external energy source. Only because of the difference in the electrode potentials of anode and cathode, this reaction will start itself, and as a result of this reaction electricity will be produced which can be used for any required purpose. Nature of electrochemical process. Both types of cells contain two electrodes connected to an external circuit that provides an electrical connection between systems. Means two electrodes which are dipped in electrolytes, they are connected with one another with the help of external circuit as well, and with the help of internal circuit by the movement of the ions. When the circuit is closed, electrons flow from anode to cathode, that is from external circuit, and electrodes are connected by an electrolyte, which is an ionic substance or solution that allows ions to transfer between the electrodes, and this will take place in the internal circuit. Transference of ions or movement of ions will take place in the internal circuit, and the electrical connection will be in the external circuit. This means that this process always involves an oxidation reduction or redox reactions. Means anode will at anode oxidation will take place, and at cathode reduction will take place. Some questions related to the topic are given here. You have to write and learn the answers of these questions. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.